Hello my dear children, welcome back to yet another wonderful class. Today, let's start our class with a small rhyme. You all might be knowing this rhyme, Rolly Polly. Okay, shall we start our rhyme? Okay, are you ready? Can you all please stand up? Yes? Okay, now let's start our rhyme. Rolly Polly, clap, clap, clap. Rolly Polly, jump, jump, jump. Rolly Polly, up, up, up. Rolly Polly, down, down, down. Rolly Polly, out, out, out. Rolly Polly, in. So children, did you like the rhyme? Out, out, out. In. So children, today we are going to learn the concept of out and in. Okay, children, what can you see here? A box, then a ball, right? A box and a ball. Now see, I have kept the ball here. Now tell me, where is the ball? The ball is in the box, right? In. The ball is in the box. Right? Now I've taken here. Now tell me, where is the ball? The ball is out of the box. Right? Now the ball is out. Now the ball is in. The ball is out. Okay, now let's see one more example. Children, what can you see here? Yes, a basket and an apple, right? Now tell me, where is apple? How can you say that? An apple is in the basket, right? The apple is in the basket. Now I'm taking here in my hand. Now how can you say this? Yes, now the apple is out of the basket. Now the apple is out of the basket, outside, right? The apple is in the basket and now the apple is out of the basket. Okay, children, tell me, what is this? Yes, it's a pencil box. Let me check, something is there inside. Yes, there is a pencil in the box, right? Can you see a pencil in the box? Yes, there is a pencil in the box inside, right? Now I am taking here in my hand. Now tell me, where is the pencil? The pencil is out of the box, out. Okay, out. Now I am going to keep it in the box. Okay, I am going to close this. Okay, now where is the pencil? Pencil is in the box. Children, I am going to show you a picture now. Okay, what can you see in the picture? Yes, a bird and a cage. Now tell me, where is the bird? The bird is in the cage. The bird is inside the cage, right? The bird is in. The bird is in. Now I have one more picture here. Now see this picture. Now tell me, where is the bird? Is it inside? Is the bird in the cage? No, the bird is out. The bird is out of the cage. The bird is out of the cage. In, the bird is in, and the bird is out of the cage. In the cage, and the bird is out of the cage. Okay children, so did you understand the concept of in and out? Okay, now let's do a small activity. So children, for this activity you need a jar or any bowl and some balls. I have made these balls with Play-Doh. Okay, and I have two colors here. Okay, now can you tell me what is the color of this ball? Yes, it's red. Okay, red ball. And what about this ball? Yellow, right? So here we have red balls and yellow balls. Okay, now in this activity what you need to do is you need to pick only red color balls and put it in the jar. In the jar. And what about the yellow balls? You need to keep it outside the jar, out of the jar. Okay, shall we start? Okay, now which one you need to put in the jar? Yes, it is red. Okay, so where is red? Here. So I am picking red balls. I am picking only red balls and I am putting in the jar. In, and in. Okay, so now all the red balls are in the jar. And what about the yellow balls? We'll keep it out of the jar. Outside, we'll keep it out. Okay, you can do this activity even with different nuts available at home. Okay, children, did you like this activity? Yes? Okay, so today we have learned the concept of out and in. Okay, and we will learn more during our interactive classes. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye.